With the highly anticipated premiere of Dr. Romantic 3 inches just around the corner, the recently unveiled teaser has offered viewers a sneak peek into what they can anticipate from the forthcoming installment. The final teaser showcases the high-tension atmosphere and emotional moments that the Doldam Hospital doctors will face as they put everything on the line to save lives. The season opens with Dr. Kim stating, "It has become a world where no matter what happens, it's not unrealistic," against a backdrop of gun sounds and buildings exploding, with people crying for help. Even in the face of chaos and adversity, the team remains steadfast in their commitment to saving lives. They express sentiments such as, "If we give up, these people will die, we must succeed to keep this patient alive," and, "I will remain steadfast, no matter how much you falter," highlighting their unity and unflinching devotion to their patients. Characters like Woo Jin, Cha Eon, and Park Eon Tak exhibit a more resolute and mature demeanor, providing drive. Kim with strength. The teaser concludes with the message, hoping that his aspirations will once again be transformed into miracles, after which Dr. Kim asserts, "People refer to it as a miracle, but I call it the power of the human will," lending greater meaning and impact to the show. Dr. Romantic 3 is anticipated to rekindle the romance that we crave, serving as a source of unity and optimism in a world that can frequently seem detached and fragmented. Fans can look forward to the premiere of Dr. Romantic 3 on April 28 at 10 p.m. KST, where they will be able to immerse themselves in the drama, action, and heartfelt moments that have made the series so popular.